Two causes of snoring and sleep apnea and how to alleviate both. Loud snoring and sleep apnea are caused by two simple facts. Sleeping in a horizontal, supine position where gravity pulls all relaxed mouth and throat components downward. When sleeping on a horizontal bed, the fatty tissues of the throat, soft palate, and the tongue structure fall downwards, which block the breathing airway, causing loud snoring and apnea. Most snoring and apnea problems are due to excessive fatty tissues and enlarged soft palate, tongue structure due to being overweight. According to WebMD.com, sleep apnea and loud snoring are the main causes for 7 major health problems: high blood pressure, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, weight gain, adult asthma, GERD, and car accidents due to daily fatigue from not getting enough restful sleep. To overcome the effects of gravity, doctors recommend sleeping in a recliner, uncomfortable, or adjustable bed, very expensive, or a hospital bed. Insurance rarely covers them due to cost, to keep the torso inclined at 30 degrees or more. Fortunately, there's now a patented product that will allow you to sleep on your own bed while enjoying steep torso inclination of up to 40 degrees as doctors recommend. This new patented product is called the Comfort Plus 30 or C Plus 30, and it allows you to incline your torso up to 40 degrees to reduce your loud snoring and or your apnea episodes at a fraction of the cost. C Plus 30 lets you enjoy more restful sleep by respecting the law of gravity and provides you with steep inclination, which keeps your breathing airway clearer. For loud snoring and sleep apnea, it's recommended that one starts using the C Plus 30 at a maximum inclination for fastest relief and more restful sleep. After a week of using the patented C Plus 30, you'll feel more rested, more alert, and much less fatigued during the day simply due to the fact that you got better and more restful sleep. Check the links below this video to locate authorized online retailers of the C Plus 30. Buy online now for yourself or a loved one and receive a free surprise gift, a $20 value, from the inventor of the C Plus 30. Enjoy the C Plus 30 in good health. Victor M. Casatsko, inventor of the Comfort Plus 30.